Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of mobile app using AppLab in Code.org. Let's get right into the video. So, the basic is, the main block you need is the on event. This is the one that will access the code and it will make it work. First, there's only one screen. If you need another screen, you go to Design, press Screen, and drag it inside. Now it says Screen 2. I'm going to make the background color of Screen 2 red, so we know which screen are we in. I'll make this one green. You can put a button and place it right here, and you can put a text called open. You can put any text you want and any ID, and then you go back to code, and what you have to do is drag the block that says set screen and place it here. So, and you need to choose which screen it needs to go to. Which button. So you press button 1 and this should be click. After you do that, press this and press screen 2. So if you want to go to screen 2, and when you run and you press the button open, it'll go to screen 2. And yeah, that's the basic. You can also do multiple screens. Like I'm gonna do there's 5 screens right now, and you can put buttons on each of them. This is how the basic of Code.org. If I'm wrong, correct me, guys. But yeah, and you do the same thing for all of the things. Go get an on event, set screen. This is what I did for my first video in YouTube, which was called How to Make an App in Code.org. And yeah, I only used these two blocks. There's the last one. Okay. I want to go to screen 2. Which button? Button 2 and screen 3. Button 3 and screen 4. Button 4 and screen 5. Let's see. Okay. Or what? Yeah, I know. Button. Yeah, you saw that? Yeah, it changed. I'm gonna change the color to dark blue or purple. I'm gonna do yellow. I'm gonna do yellow. Okay, now it's good. When I press run, when I press open, it went to red. When I press the button again, it goes to blue, again, purple, again, and yellow. So button 5, and you go back to screen 1. See, you went back to screen 1. I think that's it gonna be for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.